brand new Hurco machine. Who are OrthoSolutions and what do you do?
OrthoSolutions is a medical company. We focus mainly in the foot and ankle arena. We are here making prototypes and development instrumentation, both for instruments and also for implants.
Why did you pick the Hurco machines?
Hurco machines, Hurco have been around a long time. They're known for their reliability, their accuracy, and also cost of purchase.
You're designing these parts in-house and then putting them onto the machine. What's the programming like on these machines?
The programming is very good. At the moment, I'm using the machines conversationally. That means that we're not using the solid model to generate the program. However, that is the next phase of our progress. We will be using CAM, maybe Hypermill, Fusion 360, maybe even NX.
Just to get you up to that next level, and that will make your cycle times quicker as well?
Yeah, it'll make the cycle times quicker, but it will also make the parts more cosmetically pleasing, in that we will be able to create and generate the radiuses that flow around the actual profiles.
So you've got two Hurco machines, you've got a lathe and you've got a mill. So the part in front of us here, I presume, is basically your Op 1, which has been done on your lathe.
This basically has been turned ready to go on our milling machine. So we've removed a lot of the steel ready for it to be milled and pocketed and profiled.
So obviously prototyping, we've then moved on to the milling machine. You've also got a fourth axis on there, and we're creating this sort of part. So we've gone from that cylindrical part there to a part that's got a lot more programming in it.
Correct. The reason that because we're only making prototypes, it makes sense to machine that on the fourth axis, and that means we can rotate this round 90 degrees to machine a slot, a pocket. Then we can rotate it round 90 degrees to machine the other pocket. We can then profile it. So it makes sense to do that in a prototype scenario. In a production scenario, we would probably do this in a vise where it's more rigid and robust. But for prototypes, this makes perfect sense. So
you're doing prototypes on these machines here, and then they are going to go on to production. How are you programming that without CAD/CAM? You're programming it with the conversational programming? Yes,
all the parts that we've created so far have been done conversationally. We are going to now sort of focus on a CAM solution. The reason for the CAM solution is that we'll be able to then finish the parts to a more cosmetically pleasing state. So for instance, there will be corner radiuses that can vary around the profile of the part.
How long have these machines been in here, Kevin?
We've only had these machines in 2 months now.
Are you happy with them?
Very happy. Yeah, they're very accurate, they're very robust.
Easy programming as well, which makes time easier.
Easy programming. The graphics are very good, so we can run the graphics and visualize the part to make sure the part's good. We can look at within the graphics, we can look at the tool, where the tool is going to be relative to the part. So yes, they're very good.
Are you happy with Hurco's customer service?
The customer support is great. I have instant access to engineers that can help me if I have any issues.